Game ngibone ilimnati game mara angithandanga indlela esiqale ngayo. Slow tempo will kill us one day. Because my Milford understand ukuthi team eceda ukadapt but if besihlangane ne team esilem ekwazi ukushaya ama counter attack quick off the ball besolimala namhlanje. Besi slow play mara nyakhala.
Ukhala ngawo.
Umjidu4 weMilford no number 10.
Bani?
Umjidu4 number 4 weMilford ngomthelele igama lakhe futhi. Lamfana uyalidlala.
So you think Mpumi must put an offer?
Yeah, hayi manje man.
Hayi manje.
Adapt.
Adapt to PSL.
Yeah, adapt. Mara nyamncane. Footman.
But what do you make of the boys overall?
Overall, amajita ngizowanika 8 out of 10. Yeah, i2 they lose the first half, the 2 points, the 2% left because it came up with.
What do you make of those casual mistakes that they were happening today? I mean, you are giving the ball away. You're giving the ball away at the back line there. You're making those silly errors there. They nearly costed you.
Mina ngokubona kwami iPirates izengokunyatha.
Ngokuqala.
Yeah, izengokunyatha. Sometimes akumelanga baze ngalo mentality because izobabulala one day. Le game le kumele ngabe sishaya boma 6.
Yeah.
Ngoba ibackline yabontwana.
Yeah.
Intanga zethu.
Yeah.
1920 nabantu bebadlala la intanga yabo so far. Yes.